Today, I am going to tell you a very important thing. I hope you all apply it in your life. As you know, a person without a dream is like a person without a soul. I am going to tell you how to achieve your dreams. So let us begin with some examples of my life. According to mom and dad, I have always been a quick learner. Mom used to spend all her hours teaching or reciting to me something or the other until my second birthday. Right after that, my schooling started and my friends were mostly the children of my parents' friends who are now my study buddies. I have always been happy learning, performing and experimenting something or the other, which is a good way to achieve your dreams. My main focus in life has never been on competing, but giving my best, and learning out of it. Be creative and it will lead you to success. In any difficult situation, I keep my mind full of quotes, which I follow and get out of the situation. The only person that stops you from fulfilling your dreams is you, gentlemen, you. So today is a perfect day to start fulfilling your dreams. Soon I discovered my passion in science and now I aim on becoming a scientist. First, think of a person you look up to. I look up to Albert Einstein and follow him. So, seeking the same passions, I have friends who have similar dreams and we have made a group where we collect facts and write them. My friends also help me to take a step towards my dreams. And now, I am ready to publish a book of facts which I have collected and compiled, which will be a great achievement of mine. So first, choose a good job. I believe that you should choose a job in the following way. Number 1, knowledge. In your job, knowledge from a school should be used. Otherwise, an uneducated person will also do your job. Number 2, money. You should get a good amount of money in whatever you do. Number 3, family. Your family members should like the work that you do. Number 4, yourself. It should be focused toward your dream and passion. If all the steps are followed, then it's a perfect job. It is rightly said, all your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. Every great personality's life is like a football. Sometimes up, so sometimes down. You cannot be on the top forever. So don't focus on beating others, but try your best to beat your own past performance. You should understand each and everything in your studies, and if not, then ask questions. Begin your journey of success and achievements now. Mostly everyone's dream is to achieve success. Success doesn't come to you, but you should grab the opportunity to go after success. Forget everything that is limiting you. Determine what success means to you. Success is not measured in money. It is measured in achievements. So if you think that you are rich and successful, you are wrong. Success comes from achievements. Everyone has the potential to succeed, but failure is a choice. It is only possible to fail if you have stopped trying. The first step towards being successful is to begin. So have you understood how to achieve your dreams? In the end, I would sum it up as a process in which you first choose it, discover it, believe in it, work for it, fulfill it, and at the end enjoy it. Work for your dream with seriousness and at the end enjoy it. Succeed. Don't be a failure for the rest of your life. So in the end, I would thank you for being lending me such a patient ear and being such a wonderful audience. Best of luck for fulfilling your dreams. Go, get it. Thank you.